Hello everyone. In this video I have given to 20 GK questions from the SSC previous year question. Very important for your upcoming all competitive exam. Then you are must watching this video. Then without waste your time, let's start. Set 7. Which act introduced the systems of diarchy, dual government in the provinces of British India? Option A, the Indian Council Act 1861. Option B, the Morley-Minto Reform of 1909. Option C, the Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms of 1919. Option D, the Government of India Act 1935. Correct answer, option C, the Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms of 1919. Importance points. The Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms of 1919 introduced the system of diarchy in the province of British India. The major constitutional reforms aimed to increasing India's participation in governance. The Morley-Minto Reforms of 1909 introduced the concept of separate electorates for Muslims. Question 2. The Taj Mahal was inspired by which famous monument? Option A, Humayun Tomb. Option B, Jama Masjid. Option C, Victoria Memorial. Option D, Qutub Minar. Correct answer, option A, Humayun's Tomb. Important points. Taj Mahal built 1632 to build 1653 in Agra, Uttar Pradesh by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as a mausoleum for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. The architectural element of Humayun's tomb, including the use of white marble and red sandstone, influenced the constructions of Taj Mahal in Agra. The use of symmetry, domes and garden in Mughal architecture is a defining characteristic that connects Humayun Tomb and Taj Mahal. Council and their locations are correctly matched. Option A, first Buddhist Council Rajgriha, second Buddhist Council at Lumbini, third Buddhist Council at Kashmir. Option D, fourth Buddhist Council Patliputra. Right answer, option A, first Buddhist Council at Rajgriha. First Buddhist Council was held in Rajgriha, Bihar, shortly after the death of Buddha in 483 BCE. It is presided over by Mahakashyapa and convened by King Ajatasattu. Second Buddhist Council was held at Vaishali around 383 BC. Third Buddhist Council was held in Patliputra around 250 BC during the reign of Emperor Ashoka. 4. In Madhya Pradesh, the unmarried girl placed lamps inside a decorated earthen pot called dash during the Gangur. Option A, Kalash. Option B, Gadliya. Option C, Matki. Option D, Dibdan. Right answer, option B, Gadliya. In Madhya Pradesh, the unmarried girls placed lamps inside the decorated earthen pot called Gadliya during Gangur. Important points. Gadliya refers to a decorated earthen pot used during the Gangur festival in Madhya Pradesh. During festival, unmarried girls place lamps inside the decorated gadliya and carry them while singing traditional songs dedicated to Gauri and Shiva. Question 5. Each mandala of Rig Veda is further subdivided into option A, Sukta. Option B, Kanda. Option C, Purans. Option D, Samhita. Right answer, option A, Sukta. Each mandal of Rig Veda is further subdivided into Sukta. Important points. The Rig Veda, one of the oldest texts in the world and a foundational scripture of Hinduism, is divided into 10 books called mandal. Each mandal is further subdivided into Sukta, which are hymns dedicated to deities such as Agni, Indra and others. There are total 1028 Sukta in the Rigveda, organized across the 10 mandals. Question 6. After the death of Shivaji, which group came to hold effective political power in the Maratha state? Option A Mughals, option B Deshmukhs, option C Kunbits, option D Chitpavan Brahmanas. Right answer option D Chitpavan Brahmanas. Points. After the death of Shivaji Maharaj in 1680, the Maratha Empire faced a period of political instability due to successions, disputes and external invasions, especially by the Mughals. During this period, the Chitpavan Brahmans is community of Brahmins primarily located in the coastal region Maharashtra, those two provinces, and become influential in the Maratha administrative and political system. Question 7. Who is the author of the book Why I Am a Hindu? Option A Pawan K. Burma, option B Shashi Tharoor, option C Arvind Adiga, option D Gurucharan Das. Right answer Shashi Tharoor. Important points. Shashi Tharoor is an accomplished author, having written several bestsellers including the great novels, the great Indian novels, Inglorious Empire and the Paradoxical Prime Ministers. Question 8. How does a concave mirror form an image when an object is located at its center of curvatures? Option A real, inverted and diminished. Option B real, inverted and same size. Option C virtual, erect and magnified. Option D real, erect and diminished. Right answer the real, inverted and same size. Important points. Concave mirror and its image formation. A concave mirror forms image based on the position of the object relative to its principal focus and center of curvatures. Object at the center of curvatures. When an object is placed at the center of curvatures of a concave mirror, the image is formed at the same locations as the object. The image form is real, inverted and of the same size as the object. Questions 9. Which of the following statement accurately describe the law of demand in microeconomics? Option A. The price increase, demand increase. Option B. As price decrease, demand decrease. Option C. As price increase, demand decrease. Ceteris paribus. Option D. Price has no effect on demand. Right answer option C. As price increase, demand decrease. Ceteris paribus. Who is known as the architect of India's 5-year plans? Option A Sardar Patel, option B Mahatma Gandhi, option C Jawaharlal Nehru, option C PC Mahalanobis. Right answer option D PC Mahalanobis, known as the architect of India's 5-year plans. Important points. PC Mahalanobis, also known as the father of Indian statistics, played a key role in shaping India's economics planning and development. He was a chief architect of India's second 5-year plan 1956 to 1961, which focused on the rapid industrialization of the country. Question 11. Who was the Indian first Paralympic medalist? Question 11. Who was India's first Paralympic medalist and what was his notable achievement? Option A Devendra Jhajria, gold medal javelin throw, Athens in 1975. Option B Mariappa Thangavelu, gold medal high jump in Rio 1973. Abni Lekha, gold medal air rifle shooting Tokyo 1976. Now Mullikan Petkar, gold medal men's 15 freestyle swimming Heidelberg 1972. Right answer option D Mullikan Petkar. Mullikan Petkar, gold medalist Men's 50-meter freestyle swimming. Indian first Paralympic medalist and was his notable achievement. In question 12, in which of the following sports apart from volleyball do players make use of the screen techniques? Option A cricket, option B baseball, option C basketball, option D handball. Right answer option B basketball. Question 13. Which of the following is an aldehyde? Propanol, option A propanol, option B propanol, option B propane, option D propine. Right answer propanol. Important points. The UPAC system of nomenclature assign a characteristic suffix -l to aldehydes. For example, H2C is equal to O is methane, more commonly called formaldehyde. Propanone belong to ketonic groups. -1 is added to ketones. Propanol belong to an alcoholic groups. -OL is added to alcoholic groups. Propine belong to alkalinic group. Question 14. Which one among the following measured the same quantity as that is measured by the SI unit Pascal? Option A Newton, option B Joule, option C Watt, option D torr. Right answer option D torr. Torr measure the same quantity as the measure by SI unit Pascal. Important points. Pascal is SI unit of pressure, Newton is SI unit of force, Joule is SI unit of work done, Watt is SI unit of power, torr is used to measure pressure. Question 15. Which of the following statement about the Harappa by Indus Valley civilization is incorrect? Option A. Wheat and barley were principal crops cultivated. There are clear evidence for the practice of sati. Option C. Women adorned themselves with ornaments made of gold, silver, copper and bronze. Option D. They worshipped a male deity often identified as Pashupati. Right answer option B. There is clear evidence for an participate of sati. Important points. The Harappa civilization, also known as the Indus Valley civilization, existed from 2500 BC to 1750 BC, span parts of modern day India, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Major cities including Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira, Rakhigari, Kalibangan and Lothal. Known for its advanced urban planning with well-laid streets, drainage systems and standardized fire brick buildings. Question 16. The economic policy reforms of 1991 are popularly known as option A 5-year plan, option B new economy policy, option C new fiscal policy, option D economic reconstruction plan. Right answer option B new economic policy. Important points. The economic policy reforms of 1991 in India are popularly known as the New Economic Policy. It was introduced under the leadership of the then Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao and Finance Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh to address the economic crisis caused by fiscal deficit and foreign exchange shortage. The reform focused on liberalization, privatization and globalization. Question 17. Which physical features of India prevent the cold winds from Central Asia from entering the Indian subcontinent? Option A Indian plains, option B Indian desert, option C coastal area, option D Himalayas. Right answer option D Himalayas. Himalayan features of India prevent the cold winds from Central Asia from entering in the Indian subcontinent. Question 18. Name the sublimable substance that can be converted into gas without passing through any intermediate liquid phase. Option A naphthalene, option B chalk powder, option C alum, option D rust. Right answer naphthalene. Naphthalene substance that can be converted into gas without passing through any intermediate liquid phase. Question 19. Tippani is a traditional folk dance performed mainly by women in which Indian states? Option A Rajasthan, option B Gujarat, option C Punjab, option D Tamil Nadu. Right answer option D Gujarat. Important points. Gujarat is known for its rich folk culture including dance from like Garba, Dandiya Ras, Tippani, Bhavai Siddhi, Dhamal, Mutukadi, Dangi, Nritya. Garba and Dandiya Ras are widely recognized worldwide, performed during the festival of Navaratri. Question 20. According to Mahalanobis strategy, growth should primarily be driven by investing. Option A agriculture inputs, option B consumer goods sector, option C capital goods sector, option D import-led service sector. Right answer option C capital goods sector. According to Mahalanobis strategy, growth should primarily be driven by investment in capital goods sector. Answer the questions in comment section. Which physical quantity allows a satellite to stay in orbit without needing continuous engine thrust? Option A mass, option B gravitational pull, option C orbital velocity, option D atmospheric drag. So thank you so much friend watching this video.